Hi everyone, this is me Srinivas. Welcome to Live at Chennai. Today I am going to draw Alia Bhatt, the Bollywood actress. She is upcoming actress and she is so beautiful. Now I am showing the final outcome for a trailer. I'm giving the touch up. So this is the drawing I'm going to show you off today. Okay. See, as usual drawing, I keep the reference picture on the left corner. So actually I made this video as a time lapse because it takes long time and it is not easy to make a render in the system, so it takes long time, so that I just made with the time lapse video. So the common and the basic, as usual I'm making portrait outlines with a freehand. I'm using the same logic and technique for every drawings. I start from eye and next eyebrow and nose and nose lines. Actually this is a rough sketch. After this I'll be doing a final outline with a steadler pencil. So you may ask why I'm doing with the HP pencil for rough outline. So we can easily make all corrections with this. It's very easily erasable. You can make any changes of the rough drawing. So now the rough drawing is over. This is the final outline. I'm doing with the steadler pencil. Here I will be doing a lot of changes whatever required. So after the rough drawing I'll match the drawing with original picture and I'll figure out the mistake. So according to that I'll make a changes. So in this step it's very important, so we must be careful to make a dark outline. You are not supposed to make the dark outline in unwanted area like soft shading area. You should give the dark line only on the depth area like eyebrow and eyeball and nostrils, like that. Since this is the straight face, the face looks little symmetrical. Actually she has a dimple, so that is very good. She looks very beautiful with the dimple, the earrings. So the final outline is over. So even after the final outline, so I'll make some changes if required. Okay. So this is going to be a shading part. I start from the hair first because it is on the top, right? So it's better to start the shading from the top. and that also from the left corner. Actually, the paper I use for this drawing is normal chart paper. Actually, this chart paper is okay for doing the art like this, but I don't recommend this chart paper for the commercial work, because this chart paper will not be lifelong durable. So this paper will easily become the yellow toned. So don't use this for commercial work, but I will suggest the paper called Snow White for the commercial work. It will come for long life, and this chart paper is good for normal shading, but mm, this paper is not good for smudging technique. So while I'm smudging with the brush, the light smooth tone paper is coming up. I was unable to smudge the pencil stroke hardly because the papers are coming up. So nothing. Now I gave the basic tone with normal HB pencil, and initially I started with the 2B and 3B pencil for the basic tone. Actually, this is a one side lighting portrait, so the lights come from the right side. So one side will be quite darker than the other side. So obviously lighting area will not be having more detailing work. So we will have to concentrate on the dark area. See, after every strokes I am using brush for smudging the pencil stroke. See, because of the over lighting, the pencil shading is properly not, pencil shading is not properly showing up. So now I am giving the dark with 8B steadler pencil for eyebrow and eye lines, and nostrils also I am using 8B steadler pencil. 8B steadler pencil is not glittered, and it will not be reflecting in the light. It will give a matte finishing, but the graphite pencils are quite glossy. They will reflect on the lights. So I'm using different brushes to blend the strokes for this chart paper. But Snow White board will be nice to have a blending technique. For the blending technique, the sheet must observe the every layers of the pencil strokes. Then only we can smudge, and we can develop the darkness, and we can bring up the 3D volume. Now I'm looking for very good model for the live portrait. Once I got it, I will surely make a live portrait of the live model. So I'm looking for a very good and beautiful model to have live portrait session. So but I think you people are watching very carefully. See, I'm starting from the top and finishing step by step. So the earring is over. There's the shadow of air on the costume. I'm slightly giving the basic tone for the cloth. Actually, this design is looks very easy, but it had taken longer time to finish this design. It's a triangle pattern. So almost the jacket design is over. So after that I'm drawing the hair. See, I'm directly applying the dark hair and leaving the white space and leaving the highlights with the same pencil. Only 8B steadler pencil I'm using for the hair. No other pencil I'm using on it. So next I'm doing eyeball, so I'm giving a closer look. I hope all you will like this video, and it will be very useful for the beginners. If you have any suggestion on this video, you can send the feedback through comments, or you can send me a WhatsApp. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. I'll see you with another new video. Thank you. Bye.